Greetings everyone. This is kr4T0X Trading and I am Kratos. In the last video, we booked our profit in the first short trade after the identification of a sideways range. Now we will talk about our next trade, which is long. So, where should be our buy order for the long trade? See, uh, in our previous trade, we marked this level as our final target, and because this was our first trade, so it is confirmed in a sideways trend that our final target will get hit. So our entry target for the next long trade will be the same as the final target of the previous short trade, which is this one depicted by this white line. Now let us identify the important levels from where the price bounces back, because now the market will might not hit your final targets, but so that's why partial profit bookings come into the role. So identifying the important levels, we get the first one around here. So let's just place a horizontal line. The second one is here, and the final one is around here. So how we will book our profits in further trades, which is the current long trade. uh, the profit booking ratio will be same, that is 50% here and 25% here, and for this and the final target you have choice. But after you have taken both the first long and the first short trade, I recommend you to keep your final level as this line only, not the white line. So our final target will be this one. Okay, now I've already told you how to place your stop loss. This red line depicts 3.5% level, and you can either place your stop loss at 3.5% in Ethereum USDT perpetual, because I've analyzed it in the past, the volatility of this asset, or you can either place just below this green zone, or the lowest most point of the liquidity hunt. Sorry. So let's see how our trade goes. We have already purchased our asset here. As soon as the market hits our final profit of the short trade, our buy order will also get executed, because it was at the same price level as I already told you. Let's just see how the market performs. Target 1 is achieved, target 2 is achieved. Now let's see what happens. See, this is what I was talking about. Yeah, our final target has been achieved. So we have booked our full profit up till this level, and it took a bit of time. It's about 2 days and 12 hours approximately. Now let's just see whether the market hits this white level or not. So I'm gonna play the replay bars. We see that the market is not going upwards, and it has come to the entry level again. Now, important thing, once you have booked your profits here, if the market didn't go up uh, to make you enter into a short trade and it comes down to the buy zone, you can enter again for a long trade. Okay, so let's just see what happens, whether levels whether these levels are hit again or not. So market is laggy. Target 1 is already achieved here, target 2 is achieved here, go, target 3 is achieved too. Yeah, see, our targets has been achieved twice. If you would have waited for this target, then you might have never achieved it until approximately 6 days and 8 hours. That's a huge period. So that is what I was talking about. Market shows abnormal behavior after our first long in the first short trades. So that's about how we will enter into the long trade. Now it doesn't mean that we will enter our short trade from this level. We will only enter our short trade from around this level. Precisely where, let me tell you, because the price is not going there, because these are not our first long trades, so it is, in general, the price doesn't goes to the final target, which is marked by the white line. So how we will enter into the short trade, where will be the price level? So you see a consolidation zone here along an uptrend. You can call it an uptrend. This is an uptrend in the lower time frame. If we see a 5-minute chart, you can see this as a uptrend, and this can be the consolidation, and after that a break happens and the market falls. So lowermost point of this consolidation, we will mark a line. Let's remove those earlier lines. I've already told you about how to enter the long trades after your first long trade. Now I will tell you how to enter your second short trade. So this is the level which the market must reach. See, it might seem that the price has reached this level here, but if we zoom in, the price hasn't reached there, so our order of short trade will not get executed there. So we will wait for the price to go at this level, and after that, at this price level, we will place our short order, and let us wait for the market to go there and our order to get executed. Let me just extend these zones. Yeah, we see that our short entry is executed. Now comes the marking of the important levels where we will be booking our partial profits. We see that this is the price level from where the market is bouncing back again and again. So this will be our target 1. We will book 50% here. Let me delete this white line and make it white to mark it as an entry point for the next trades which we just took, or the trade we just took. And the next target will be this level, which you can see the price is bouncing back again and again from these levels. So this will be our next target, where we will be booking our 25% of the profit. Okay, and our final target will be somewhere around here. You see price bounce back from here, price bounce back from here, and from here, and it's touching this level. It is always better to keep your final um, target for booking the profits uh, at a good level above the buy zone, just because of the reason or I told you right now, and you just also saw the price didn't hit our this level and bounced back from here only, so that's why this will be our final target. And according to the previous bounces it took, so let's just see what happens. Our entry target is achieved again. Yeah, our target one is achieved here, and let's just see what happens. Yeah, so we are currently in the live market and our end target one is achieved here. We have closed our 50% of position. As you can see, the wick goes below this orange line, which means our 50% profit has been booked and our 50% capital has been saved in the case our stop loss gets hit. So that is how you take the long and the short trades in the sideways market. Thank you for watching the video.